In this quick video guide, we're going to see a plugin for WordPress that can help you to export, in a way, your website, your blog. So this is not exporting, which is another feature that we saw in another video. This is not for like migrating the content or saving the content or backup the content. This is actually to save as a piece of paper or a printed paper or digital PDF. So all we need to all we need to do is go in the plugins here, plugins page, click on the search bar, and just type "print my blog," and just wait for the results. We're gonna find this really useful plugin to do a quick print of your pages, of your posts, of whatever you want. Now be careful here, there are other results. What you need to do look for is the print my blog, print PDF, ebook converter, etc, etc. You can see it's already active in my WordPress, but if it's not, just click on install now. You should see the little button right here, so click on install now. Once it's finished to download and install, click to activate, and once it's active, you can go into more details. You can go down here in the left side menu, all the way down, you'll find the print my blog, and there are many options here. So I'm not gonna go into deep with this. There are a lot of options that you can explore, but I'm gonna show you the quick print, some quick features here. So if you want to explore more, if you want to customize a little bit more, you can do it right here on the settings. You can also upgrade for more professional version. So these are the settings. So you can give the permission to print the page. So you can put some print page or print post for the front end. So for the users or like the subscribers to print the articles and the pages, or you can just leave this feature for the administrators right here. So you can see that you can also customize the buttons a little bit, and you can choose the permission for many parts of the website. So if you go in the Pro Print, you have to create a new project first. You need to give it a title. You need to choose if you want to print this as a digital PDF, as a print ready PDF or ebook or other stuff. And perhaps some of these are for the paid version. So nothing, it's like totally free. There are some free features and there are some paid features. So I'm gonna go for the digital PDF here, and you can see the preview. So with the Pro version, you probably can add more design and you can customize everything a little bit more. So if you want to do something more professional, you can use the Pro version. And these are, you see the article, so you can decide if you want to select all the articles or maybe some of those. So you can choose, you can filter. For example, you can filter like only published articles or only private articles, or you can filter using the contents or the categories or the tags, etc, etc. So you can use more professional features here. But what I want to show you is the quick print, because it's the quickest, is the easiest, and you can do it with really few seconds and few clicks. So here you can just choose the format with the quick print, if you want paper, if you want digital PDF, if you want an ebook, or if you want also HTML. So you have various options, various formats. I'm gonna go for the digital PDF, and there you go. You still have more options here if you want to print the posts or if you want to print the pages, and what order, if you want like the oldest first, and again what was going to be the status of the post that you want to print, categories, tags, authors, and much more. So you can also spend some time in here, try to check all the different features. I'm just gonna go here and prepare for print. I'm gonna suspend the ad blocker, otherwise it won't work. And now it's just uploading the content. So you can see there are a lot of articles in there. So it's gonna take some time, But at the end of this process, it's going to tell you, okay, do you want to print this in a PDF? You're going to say yes, and then you can proceed with the printing. Now, since I have a lot of articles here, it's going to take too much time, but I've already tried this, so just need to wait. And I'm just going to skip this for now. And just to show you, another option is to go like one by one for each article or each page. Now, this is a page of a blog, which is made out of blocks, and it's pretty difficult to print each single block or the whole page. Sometimes, well, it just cannot do like Control C, Control V. So what you can do is go here on the right side. You can see now you have the generate digital PDF or the generate print ready PDF. So I'm going to go for this one, generate digital. Again, I'm going to stop the ad blocker, otherwise I cannot go forward, refresh the page, and now you can see that I have these buttons on the top here, and this is the free version on the left, and then the pro version on the right, which of course has more features, but let's go for the free version. Click there, and now we have, you see the preview of what our PDF is going to look like generated from this page. So I can choose the printers that I have available in there. I'm going to go for Microsoft Print to PDF and just save. And that's it. So you're going to find the file in your computer. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to the channel for more. Check out other courses and other guides. And please join to support us.